Hey friends, if a PowerPoint file is not opening in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, search for PowerPoint in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and try to open this file now. If it doesn't help, then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type power pnt .exe space / save and hit enter. This will open PowerPoint in the safe mode and you might be able to open the file in this one. If it helps, then go to file, select options, go to add-ins, change it to com add-ins, click on go, choose the active add-ins and remove them. And then you can open PowerPoint again in the normal mode. It will be very helpful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.